Hi, it's Tim at enginefactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 351 Windsor 400 horsepower engine with the Holley Sniper EFI 2 system for our customer's 1953 F100 truck. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. Again, we have a 351 Windsor Ford engine. This engine has the roller lifter cam in there, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. Taylor ignition wires, made in USA, all the wire markers on there. Customer wanted the rear sump oil pan on there. We put that on there for him. For the 53 F100 truck, we got the oil stick and tube on there. Brass freeze plugs, engine block painted the dark Ford blue. Oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. The distributor set in place. Aluminum intake manifold. It's real nice Ford Racing blue valve covers with a matching 13-inch air cleaner. We have the black Holley Sniper EFI 2 fuel injection system on there. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball. We'll set up the Holley Sniper EFI system, the menu screen for the customer. All the settings will be set. It'll be completely dialed in, 100% tested, plug and play, drop in ready. We have the SFI automatic flex plate, proper tooth count and balance with 351 Windsor and the customer's transmission. We have the fuel pressure regulator for the Holley Sniper EFI on there. We'll set the fuel pressure to 58.5 psi. The fuel return right here to hook up to go back to the fuel tank for the return. We have all the AN lines, heavy duty Russell fuel line all set up, PCV valve, heavy duty Russell PCV line on there. It's real nice. Black Wraptor serpentine pulley kit with a self-tensioning belt tensioner, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, black AC compressor on there. We have the lower hose on the passenger side. The customer's 53 F100 truck, standard rotation high flow black water pump, coolant bypass hose, thermostat housings on there, thermostats installed, one wire hookup, 160 amp alternator, power steering pumps on there, all set. Every engine is live run and fully tested at Engine Factory. You're going to see a video of your engine running in a stand. You'll see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the ignition timing with the timing light. We'll dial in the Holley Sniper EFI menu screen. All the settings will be set, the idle set, fuel pressure on the regulator set, completely drop-in ready to go. So when you put the engine in, you'll have total confidence. You know it's going to be absolutely perfect. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Been in business since 1969. It's a family operated business here. So there you have it, our 351 Windsor, 400 horsepower with a Rollercam with a Holley Sniper EFI fuel injection on there. Thanks for watching.